Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening and good morning from wherever you are watching online. I am going to be doing something today which I have not done before, which is going to be sort of possibly a little niche for me, but at the moment, definitely a one-off for the time being. And yeah, today is going to be my first unboxing video. As you can see, there is nothing here apart from 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. It has literally just come in from the delivery guys at DPD. So let's get to this, shall we? As you can see from previous designs, the box has changed. That was the last one I got, which was the S24, which is what I'm currently filming on now. And for change, I have upgraded the settings to 8K 30 frames a second. So let's see if this makes any difference. Anyway, down to this little bit of an unboxing one. So, as you can tell, obviously I'm not going to give any personal details away, especially with the IMEI number and stuff like that. So far, small, substantial box. Always like doing this for some reason, especially when it's brand new. So yeah, so here goes. I did guess, as you can tell, the S26 Ultra, and there it is. There it is. Not going to touch the phone just for the moment, but we'll do this section here, which has all the lovely little goodies in it. So, what have we got in here? Aha, there we go, there we go. So, obviously, all your paperwork even has an energy rating to this as well, which is really interesting because it didn't have it before from what I remember. Quick start, warranty card, compliance. Obviously the warranty for me will come from my mobile phone provider, which is really good with the cover I've got for it. Well, it should be anyway. So yeah, you obviously got your little pin here for putting in your SIM card, and then obviously you get your USB to USB-C cable. It's a shame that they now don't do obviously the plugs for it as well, but that's technically not the main thing anymore. The main or important thing anymore. It is the actual handset it is. So first time I'm actually going to hold one of these, and it feels, just on instant touching, it feels amazing. Now let me just clear this off it all. Just doing this on a computer desk, so you'll have to apologise me for a minute or two. So yeah, I am really happy with this. Really happy with this. Obviously, when you get it, you take that off, and there is this time around no attached screen screen protector on. There was actually with the S24 when I first got that. So yeah, I'm sure how I feel about that, but stuff happens. So yeah, this is where you put your SIM card, and from what I've been reading, it is a dual SIM card, which is great. Obviously a bit tight, which it has to be. Take it out, and there, if you can see, is the SIM card holder, the dual SIM. So yeah, that is essentially the S26 Ultra. Stylus down this corner, which is actually a quite positive one. Definitely thinner than the one I've got at the moment. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. And if you do get one, don't forget it has to go in a certain way because it's rounded this time round. If you do get one. So yeah, I shall be back for part 2 of this once I get this video uploaded, and to show you guys how to set these up. I hope you like this quick unboxing. And I'll see you later. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And don't forget to share if you'd like to. See you soon. Bye bye for now.